Yesterday and again this morning, you can just feel winter creeping into New England, and it sounds like we could see our first real snowflakes of the season.
Remember last December, we got clobbered.
Yes.
Ken joins us right now, and I know a lot of people were hoping for a little break this winter as opposed to last.
They're wondering, and we maybe have the answer. You know, last winter was a record breaker for many spots in northern New England, and it's being called an I-90 season. Now, here's why. North of the Mass Pike, big snow fell. Burlington, Vermont, Concord, New Hampshire, and Caribou, Maine all set records, making for one of the best ski seasons ever. Many of you are wondering if this season might be a repeat. Bill from East Bridgewater, he wrote, "I'm curious, of course, what is the winter expected to be like?" Well, Mish Michaels spoke with a a winter forecast expert, to get his forecast for the months ahead.
So what do you think this winter season's going to be like?
I hope this winter season's going to be really cold so I get to skate on the ponds with my friends.
I think we'll have two storms. One will be, maybe 20 inches.
I think it's going to be a lot more brutal than it was last year.
Warm. Very warm. It's wishful thinking.
It's only useful knowing what the winter's going to be like, though.
But rather than wishful thinking, Dr. Judah Cohen uses hard science to develop a forecast for the upcoming winter.
I look at many different things,
including pressure patterns all the way in the Arctic, ocean water temperatures way over in the Pacific, and the amount of snow covering Siberia in the autumn.
If the snow cover, let's say, comes in above normal, well, the temperatures in the eastern U.S. are below normal, so we have a cold winter on average.
Like last year.
Siberia is like this ice skating rink. Here, the ice keeps it cold inside the facility. In Siberia, it's the snow. The more snow in Siberia, the more cold available to come our way.
The snow cover in Siberia in the fall is below normal, then we have a tendency, let's say more often than not, we'll have a warm winter here in the eastern U.S.
And according to satellite measurements, so far, the snow cover in Siberia is below average.
I'm forecasting warm, and all my indicators I look at show me warm. Probably between 0.5 and 1 degree, I'd say, above normal.
Enough to put a little dent in the energy bills across New England.
Dr. Cohen points out a warmer than average winter doesn't necessarily mean below normal snowfall, so keep them handy. In Brighton, I'm Mish Michaels, WBZ News. It's from the skating rink. Don't